Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: device model, OS version, and active plan, because those affect where usage appears. Once done, connect to your primary network and temporarily disable VPN or data saver apps that mask traffic so readings are accurate. Now open Settings, tap Network or Connections, then Data Usage. This gets you into the tool that tracks bytes. Make sure to select the correct SIM or network interface if your phone has dual SIMs, because otherwise you'll measure the wrong data stream. You now dive into the middle steps to reveal specifics. First, choose the current billing cycle or set a custom date range so you get a daily breakdown instead of a monthly total. Then tap Usage Details or App Data to list per app and per hour consumption. Scroll the graph to compare days. Once done, export or save the CSV if available, or screenshot the charts for records. Make sure to check background usage filters and restrict unneeded apps to stop surprise spikes. Finish by making the settings proactive. Set daily alerts or hard limits and enable automatic cutoff if you want an enforced stop. Once done, compare your local logs with carrier reports to reconcile differences and note any time zone or timestamp mismatches. If numbers still diverge, restart the device, update the OS and the carrier profile, then recheck. These steps often refresh counters. If that fails, contact carrier support with screenshots and your export. They can trace usage on their end and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.